Nothing like self-basting on a motorcycle, huh? What's up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore, and I sure as hell hope my audio's recording. I hooked this up in a new helmet to get the Cardo hooked up the right way, so you know, CarPlay on the Indian Challenger, and good times, good times. I'm out riding today with the fellas and this guy.
Hi, ma'am.
We're going to Motorcycle Museum in Newburgh. I popped the name up on the screen right here for you. I've been here a couple of times. It's really cool. It's Ray's first time, and he's gonna pop his museum cherry. I hope it's as special as you think it's gonna be. If you like my videos, if you could give it the thumbs up or leave a comment, I appreciate it. Make my videos on a 25 Challenger dark horse named the Midlife Crisis Mobile. We're going pretty scenic way. I think we're on, what is it, 17A or something, go past the Renaissance Fair. We're all fueled up. Should be a good time. Please let me have audio. Man, check out this bridge, huh? I think it said we're in Cornwall. Catholic War Veterans Memorial Highway. Never been on this before. There's some view, huh? We're 6 deep today. I think we're picking somebody else up after the museum. Like I said, the scenery's been fantastic. You know, normally it's just a shot down 9W. You start cutting down into Newburgh. This way we came up from Greenwood Lake, New York, and this is Highway 32. I think we're pretty close to the museum. I could be wrong. I could be right. This area does look kind of familiar. I actually think this is the road it's on. I think we went out this way. Oh, Larry's perturbed. Larry is perturbed! Tell him, Larry. Tell him nobody messes with Big L. And we're here, the Motorcycle Museum. Motorcyclepedia. And we're doing big turns. So that's what big dogs do. Do big turns.
Wicked, huh?
1976.
Yeah, all of this. These are all of this. That's a speed record. You can tell it's new because the paint still like sparkling on.
That's cool.
2009.
just like that, we're leaving Motorcyclepedia. I think I'm saying it right. This is a cool place. If you're in the area, it's definitely worth the trip. It's in Newburgh, New York. I would go the way we came. It was pretty scenic, nice ride. But if you made it this far, I thank you for watching. Drop my videos Wednesday and Friday at 3 p.m. until winter, then it's just 3 on Fridays. Hope you come back next week and check out a video or two.